This video is brought to you today by Ghost Tags. This is my own company that I started because I wanted a glow-in-the-dark AirTag case. These things are awesome. You can stick them on your backpack, on your dog's collar, and you will be able to find it at night. We've got two colors, blue and green. They've got great reviews. Go check them out. Links to them down below. Now on to the video. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimathy TV. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my minimalist iPhone setup here and kind of go over what's on my iPhone, even though we just did one recently. If you want to see all the apps and stuff, go watch that video. It was just published a couple days ago, but I've actually changed up my phone to become a little bit more minimalist. And I've been trialing it for the past, week or so, and I really like it. So I'm going to explain how I do this and the method behind it here in just a moment. So first off, on the lock screen, it's pretty much the same date, time. That's sundial up there. It tells me the sunrise, sunset. I also have Fantastical right here for the little calendar icon. And then I have the Windy app to give me the week's worth of weather right there. And then unlocking the phone here, this is all I've got on my first page. I have an app library, of course, full of stuff, but this is literally all I have right here. Now, if I swipe to the side here, I do have a stack of weather widgets right here. So there's like 7 different weather apps here. I've got for my location and my fiance's, which will soon just be one location, which will be cool. I also have the Windy widgets with the weather radar on here. So that's cool to kind of look at. I have some shortcuts, calendar, and then I have my batteries right here, and then Lumi to get golden hour. It's just kind of an interesting app to use. Let's talk about this setup and why I have it like this. If you watch my other video, I basically had all my apps organized onto one page in folders. And that's really cool. It worked great, except I noticed throughout the day, I would get bored. I would unlock my phone and just click on different folders and see what I could open. I could open up my financial stuff just to look at my money because that's always fun. I could open up Reddit and scroll through there, Instagram, Twitter. And I was like, what am I doing? This is such a waste of time. And I realized I had to make a change, but I didn't want to necessarily delete all those apps because that would cut off contact with certain people. So what I did was I narrowed down my notifications, pretty much got rid of all Instagram notifications, most Facebook notifications. I don't want to see them. If I want to open it up once a day just to take a peek and see if I missed anything from someone, I can do that. This has helped me stay away from doom scrolling. Okay, you all know you sit down, you're going to take a 2-minute break between, work sessions or homework or something. And next thing you know, 30 minutes, an hour has gone by and you've wasted so much time that you could have used being productive, making money, doing something else. This has helped quite a bit. So now if I want to get to Instagram, I have to scroll over here and go to my social folder. That extra step has really stopped me from going in there. Really, all I have here is Safari because I go on Safari all the time to look things up. You can see a theme here. It's all productivity based. So the calendar, I always look at the date and the date. I also have the clock because honestly, the reason I keep the clock is because of the seconds icon. This one doesn't have it. There's no way to get seconds up there. And I like to see the seconds for when I'm setting my mechanical watches or something like that. So I keep that around because it's super accurate. I also have the camera for obvious reasons, photos for obvious reasons. Then I have reminders, which is how I organize and plan my entire life for the most part with the help of notes. So again, these are both productivity apps. I have settings for obvious reasons. I'm in there all the time. And then I have Proton Mail, which I wish I could get rid of it and put it in the app drawer. But when there's an email that comes in, at least right now with my stage of life, I pretty much need to check it and respond to it, unfortunately. I have it there for now. This may be demoted at some point to the app library, so this will look a little bit more, uniform. And my hope was to put some sort of a widget up here so that these apps would be down here, easy to click on, but I don't mind them being up so high because it makes it less tempting to click on them. Down here, I've got my usual apps. I haven't changed them at all. App Store, Mail, Phone, and Messages. I check the App Store multiple times a day for app updates. It's not really toxic. It doesn't waste too much of my time. It's just something I do. Because I always want to see what's up. It's just a habit that I formed from this channel so long ago when we started this channel back in 2009. So I'm always looking for updates. Anyways, Mail, this is for all my other email accounts. So I have to have that here. Phone, obviously, people call me, have to have that. And then iMessage because people text me and I got to stay in touch. That is my minimalist iPhone setup. I do not have a screen protector. I'm going to make a separate video going over that here shortly. So stay tuned to the channel. I do not have a case on the phone. This is about as minimal as it gets. There's literally nothing on the phone and there's hardly anything on the home screen. So this has helped me, again, just stay laser focused. When I open the phone up and I look at this does not make me want to go into a random app and scroll for an hour. Okay, this really helps. So if you are suffering from something similar where I'm pretty sure everyone is. They got TikTok on their phone. I don't even download that. That's basically spyware at this point. Maybe you're an Instagram person and you're on there all the time. Just remove it from the home screen, put it in the app library automatically. That's what it does. and go about your day. I've been so much more productive with my phone being set up like this. It's crazy. And I even want to get it more minimalist than this at some point, and that's coming. So if you want to see more about this and my journey here, obviously keep it locked to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. There are a few little tweaks that I want to do to perfect this, but I want to give you an update because I had so many people asking me in that other video if that's still how I have my phone, and it's not. I've changed it completely. So check that video out if you want to see the apps on my phone, but this video is obviously to see how I actually use the phone with the apps that are on there. So that's all I got for this one, guys. If you liked the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.